All right, it is Sunday, June 30th, doing a lot of videos here, some ETFs, some tech now, MU, Micron Technology. Let's do it. All right, so going back on this too, going back to like January 2022, this was a close to 100. Big downtrend most of the year. Yeah, it looks like it bottomed pretty much January 2023, maybe on this candle right here, 48.43. Broke up to 60. You know, the whole year in 2023 pretty much chopped sideways between 60 and 70. November, you had a nice breakout 70 to close to 90, pull back to trend line 80. You have a trend line form now, starting here, the low. Went up to 90, big push up to 130 for another pullback to 110. See, now you have 1, 2 points, like 1, 2, almost 3. The market was climbing very steadily. Get a 120, 130, all the way up to is gapping up huge here. 157.54. And this candle here, 157.41. Big reversal. Went down. Tried to bounce with these, went down again. So this is close to this trend line, 130, 135. You have one close to 2, 3, put in 4 points. You can move it in a little more, but it's right at the trend line. Here's the high line. Circle some of these points here in January before there was a nice buy right here. Nice move right here. That was in February. You had a move, not all the way down, but this was nice in March. That was in April. Here was the move back in June, and then we're straight down right now. Look at this, very high up stochastics, 90 to 100. Straight down there, 2058, very oversold. We'll see if we get a bounce, even maybe pre-market. And tomorrow we'll see what happens. The weekly, that's a selling candle. I mean, this is worrisome, at least on Micron. Look at that. It's a big shooting star candle. You don't see that anywhere here. And you have two candles now. Back and forth we go. Trending down monthly. He had the big run. So this has been a run since January 2023. Look at this. And then we go up higher. Now we're fading. Red's been over white for a while now. Really since, let me try to put this here, maybe March. So it was already fading way before stochastics. It's a big sell candle, but we'll see if it comes true. Quarterly, you're crossing over very bullish. You have a big broadening wedge here. Broadening wedge is pretty much low to high or high to low. And then it's getting wider. Each move, the volatility on these moves. The 5-minute on Friday, a lot of volatility here. Went to 130, 150, 135. We faded back and forth, but eventually just faded down. Yeah, MU on, I'm looking at FinViz, pretty much as a trend line where I have it. Let me look on my other algo I use. Pretty much has a sell 624. I was here, put in a sell candle, and I was right, even though it went up here. So that's where we're at right now. All right, so the big move here is 130. Will we break it, go down further? And I would look for this wick here, which is 121.01. We'll watch for that if it does break through. If you go a little bit lower and we bounce, this will try to probably go back to 140, 150, maybe right at that high level. So this is a key area this week. We shall see. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Appreciate it. Mike J Trades on X, Mike Cayman Trades on TikTok, Mike Cayman Trades on Instagram. And that's it. Peace.